What if I told you that everything we can see, stars, planets, galaxies, even us, makes up less than 5% of the universe? The rest is invisible and mysterious. Meet dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter cannot be seen, touched, or detected directly, but we know it exists because of its gravity. Galaxies spin so fast that they should fly apart, but they don't. Something invisible is holding them together. That something is dark matter. It acts like a cosmic glue, helping galaxies form and stay intact. Now comes the even bigger mystery: dark energy. Dark energy is the force pushing the universe apart. In 1998, scientists discovered that the universe isn't slowing down, it's expanding faster and faster. Dark energy is responsible for this acceleration, making up about 68% of the entire universe. So, what are they made of? Honestly, we don't know yet. They don't emit light, they don't reflect light, and they don't behave like normal matter. But without them, the universe as we know it couldn't exist. Dark matter builds the universe. Dark energy controls its future. And until we unlock their secrets, the universe will remain mostly unknown.